things required for making heart-shaped paper jewelry box are, we are going to need 2 A4 size colorful sheets of any color and a scissor. So let's begin. So that's it, our heart-shaped paper jewelry box is ready. You can keep any type of jewelry inside this box and save it. And it's teeny tiny, so you can keep it anywhere. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, so please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And don't forget to like this video, share my content and comment. I'll meet you in my another video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.